Good morning from Nigeria, and this morning I will be showing you how to acquire data using Pqwt S500. In our previous class, we learned how to download data from the machine, but we have not learned how to acquire data from the machine. So this morning I will take you to the field, show you how to acquire data, how to arrange the equipment, how to take decision after you have picking your point, like you start taking record of a place after recording like from 1 to 30 meter or so, or 25 or 10, and then you're about to decide which point exactly should be drilled for water. So is very easy step how to take decision without any mistake. Some people, because the machine uses two electrodes, they get stuck. One is at 0, the other one is at 10. Which point now is going to be fit or going to be good for water drilling? So this morning I'll be showing you very simple step by step on how to do that. You don't need to be get stuck. Your geologist got you covered, your geophysicist got you covered. So I remain Luke Onyebuchinokwa. Let's go to the field. Okay, I'm about to show you that apart from your PQWT machine, there are other accessories that you need for your geophysical survey, especially while using this PQWT machine. So what you need is one, you need hammer. Two, you need your chisel, and then three, you need your measuring tape. So as we are here in this compound to do our work, and then show them where they will drill their well. First of all, you need to do is you use your compass. If you use your compass to locate yourself in the field or make a line of where this thing will run to, most of the times I prefer using east to west. So on this thing, I'll prefer running it. Okay, now after laying your tape, you can see my tape well laid here, starting from 0 down till above 10, 20, 30 meters. So now after laying your tape in east-west direction, the next thing to do is to unveil the PQWT equipment, PQWT machine. As you can see in the PQWT machine, you can now see the PQWT machine. You see the electrodes. These are the electrodes, and this is the electrode handle. This is the electrode handle. It's being screwed this way. Usually two electrodes. This is another electrode handle, and this is another electrode. That's the two electrodes that you will require for point 1 and 2, or 0 and 10. This is the two electrodes, and these are the handles. Then this is the cables. The cable. So on this cable now, I'm going to show you how to connect your electrode to your cable. And on doing that, this is my cable 1. I'll put it here. I will screw this and make sure that it's firm. Avoid this cable shaking. If this cable shake, it's going to give you error in the machine. That's for that. And now pick up my PQWT machine. And then if you pick up your PQWT machine, you will see a red point here at this cord here now. So what you need to do is pick your cable and then plug in. How to plug in? Make sure that the red here aligns with the red here. As this align with this, you on from here. Now that your machine is set up, and what you need to do now is to start. This to this and this to this. Then this to this. West direction. As you can see, the compass is well aligned to east-west. But I want to tell you the reason why I'm aligning the compass to east-west direction is to enable me cut across all the fractures in the area, because the area is made up of fractures that runs northeast southwest and northwest southeast. So if you align it, it will be perpendicular to the fracture. Since the area is controlled, is structurally controlled, it's not a sandy environment that you look for coarse sand. This is a shaly environment, and water occurs in fractured shell. Yes, Abakaliki shell, as we all know, is the oldest shell in Nigeria, so they are all baked and fractured. So that's for that. And to chisel where you are going to place your electrode. So just use as much chisel, and then you insert your electrode. Note that in cable 1 or 0, you are going to connect this electrode that is very close to the equipment. And then you go to the next basin and 10 meter. So now that my electrodes are connected, I will now pick up my Pqwt machine. Now my Pqwt machine is on. I will just go to profile software. You can see single frequency, 3 frequency. You will see profile software here. Just tap on profile software, it will open. You will see a graph of work already done. So what you will do is you option, you go to a new option and increase this. This was already done. Increase this. Okay, you can see your empty screen. You will see the line 88. You will see site 001, and you see the status of operation, and you see your line test, your profile, your options, delete, return, and then record. So first of all, before you record, you line test by clicking the line test. Okay, you line test and then you record. The thing is not even. This place is showing green as you clean the line test. Ensure that this green light is showing you that both electrode 0 and that of 10 are connected. So after clicking line test, the next thing is to click record. You can see your data is now recording on the screen. Frequency domain. Once this reads up to 100% now, it will beep. Let's watch it read. %, 35%. Okay, now that you are done with this point, the next thing to do, you now move to the next point, which is 1. You move to 1. You move the other electrode to level. As you move to 11, 1 and 11, you line test again and ensure that the green light is showing. Then you start recording your data again. You will continue recording your data till about 30 meters or so. That's having about 20 points. Okay. Just with that, now that you are done with your survey, the next thing to do is to take a decision of the point that you are going to drill. You are going to sink your borehole. So you see from your profile map, you see point 2. You can see the low resistivity here. Okay, now that you have finished your survey, you can see I measure from 0 to 14. That is, I was able to capture about 14 points. So now you can see your 2 is having low resistivity and your 10 is having low resistivity. So like from here down to here now. So now if you want to mark a point to drill, what you need to do is now, since you have point 2 on the screen and your electrode was on 2 and 10, so what you need to do is to add 5 to it. Point 2 on the screen mean point 7 on the ground on your tape. So point 10 on the screen also represent point 15 on the ground. So that's a very easy step. Let me show you now where we drill with the software, and you have been able to know your point 2 and 10. So the next thing to do is to take your point on the tape, which is 7 as I said earlier, and 15 as I also said. So that is very easy thing to do. I'll just drop my gun and go to 7 and mark my 7, and then mark my 15.